Hello guys, welcome to Let's Learn Pro, and today I am going to show you DHCP, that is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This is my network, so watch the full video to get and know how to do DHCP configuration. So I am clicking on the server right here and click on the configuration. You can see here that there is the services list and there is DHCP, but first I will give the IP address to the server which is DHCP server. So click on the IP configuration and this will be static for the server only. So I am going to give a class C IP address and the subnet mask is automatically there, so I will minimize this one. I will go to config where I will do the DHCP, that is dynamic host configuration protocol. This is a protocol which act as a and that provides dynamically the IP address to all the devices. We only have to give the starting address, so I am going to give the starting address for uh, devices 192.168.0.2, from where the IP address will be started, and I will set the service on and click on the add button. So we are done with the DHCP configuration. Now I am going to the PCs which we have connected to this network, and I will click on the first PC. So this is very important. If you have more devices, so we cannot give IP address to each of the devices. So right here you can see IP configuration, so I am clicking on DHCP. Look here, after clicking on DHCP, my IP address will be automatically assigned along with the subnet masks. So in this way you can assign the IP address dynamically to every devices connected to the same network. So you only have to do is you have to connect a server and all the devices which will be connected to the same network and with server as well. And after configuration of DHCP, you can assign the IP addresses to all the devices connected to that dynamically. So right here I am clicking on the next and device and desktop IP configuration. I only have to do the IP configuration as DHCP. Look, the IP address will be assigned automatically. This will be done by the DHCP server. So I told you earlier that it is very important. If you have more than like thousand or 2000 devices connected with the same network, you cannot give IP addresses to each and every device. So I've taken the C class IP address. I hope you know about that. We can only give 256 IP addresses, in which the first one is not, that is the network address, and the last one is broadcast address, which cannot be assigned to any devices. So in this way we can assign the IP addresses to all the devices. It saves our time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you really enjoyed this video, and happy learning. Right here I'm clicking on the PC, so you can do in the same manner. So it is most important. Right here you can see how I assign the IP addresses. Have a nice learning. Please like and subscribe. I will say it again. Thanks.